Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today guys, this is the new episode for this channel, and I'm gonna call it the Mechanic Tools episode. And for today guys, I will be showing you the OBD scanner that I've been using for my car repair videos. So as you can see on the screen guys, I've been using the CREADER launch. This is a had a cord. It's not a cordless guys. So I'm gonna put also on the screen where I bought it, and I bought it from Amazon.ca. So it's in Canadian site guys, but this is China made. Yeah, it's China made, but guys, this works well, and it's very affordable. So guys, before we start, please guys, support this channel, subscribe it, don't skip ads, and again, I will try my best guys to give you a good stuff, give you at least like I always said, like at least 2 car repair videos for every single car that I will be bringing here in my garage. And also guys, as I mentioned before, I'm gonna also share with you all the tools that I use in my car repair videos. So guys, let's go back to the video. So guys, this OBD scanner, it has the 4 functions. The basic function of an OBD scanner, which is it can read the engine light on, the transmission, the SRS or the airbag, and also the ABS for the ABS sensor for the tire. And what is good in this scanner guys, it has a special functions, which is really almost a perfect OBD scanner for DIYers, or for also like a mechanic like us. So guys, this is very affordable. It's really good OBD scanner. And yeah, so guys, those special function for this OBD scanner, I will like show it on the screen. So one of the special function of this OBD scanner guys is it can reset an oil life reset. So on my future videos guys, I will be showing you how to reset oil life reset. I think I'm gonna use it for my Jeep Sahara in the future, in a couple of days. So check that out guys, check that video. It's gonna be a good video. And also guys, it also had other functions, which is the electronic throttle body reset, which is, I think, this Nissan Versa. This one has an electronic throttle body relearn, or it has an electronic body. So we can use this also guys to relearn. And also, by the way, the symptoms of a bad, or let's say electronic electronic throttle body that needs to relearn, it has very like high idle at very high RPM at idle. So mostly cars should be has like 700 to between 700 to 900 RPM at idle. But if your car reach let's say 1000 or 1200 RPM at idle, guys, you need to like relearn or reset your electronic throttle body if your car is equipped with the electronic throttle body. And guys, on my next video, on my future videos, I'm gonna show it to you guys. But anyway, I'm gonna show somewhere on the here on the screen what an electronic throttle body look like. So just take a look on the screen guys. And also the third one, this OBD scanner also can reset your power steering angle, which is very common to BMW. So again, on my future videos, I'm gonna show it to you guys how to reset that. But I'm not recommending you guys to do it, because electronic power steering angle, it's very complex. So just let the mechanic do it. It's not a DIYers, in my opinion guys. And the fourth one function of this OBD scanner, guys, is the brake light reset, which is, again, it's very common to BMW. So again, in my future videos, I will be showing it to you guys. And I think I had one video. Just check out my other videos, guys, and I will. It shows there how to reset using this one. So guys, and also there's also other function of this, like it can use as a multimeter. It can check the voltage of your battery, what voltage, the charging voltage of your car. So this OBD scanner, guys, is almost perfect, and it's very affordable. And again, I will be showing to you guys on the screen. I think I bought this for like $270. It's on sale that time, guys. It's like 30% off, and I think the regular price for this is like 300 Canadian dollar. So it's very affordable, but it almost had all the function for an OBD scanner. So guys, if you are wondering to buy an OBD scanner for a DIYers, guys, check this out. This is a good OBD scanner. I'm not gonna show you guys one by one how to use this. You can check out all my videos. I've been using this one. So it's a very simple. It has this is the power button actually. So press that and everything will show up. So it's a touch screen too, guys. See? So it's very simple. Say diagnose. You wanna diagnose it. You wanna reset, and also the battery voltage. Everything is in here. Also, guys, this is like an internet. If you like, when you hook this up and it says you had a code of P010 blah blah blah. You can you can research in here if it's connected to Wi-Fi. So but right now it's not connected to Wi-Fi, guys. So yeah. So guys, if you like, again, looking for a affordable OBD scanner, try this one, guys. CREADER Professional Launch 129A. So it's in here. This is the box actually. So it's CREADER Professional 129A Launch. It's made in China, but oh well, most right now is made in China, but this one is good. And also, guys, there's another function before I forget. This is for the tire pressure monitoring something. So I haven't used this one yet, but in the future I'm gonna try to use it. So like I said, this OBD scanner is almost had everything. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question, any suggestion, please comment down below. And again, guys, please subscribe this channel, share this video, don't skip ads as a support for my channel. And again, guys, I'm gonna give you a good stuff, a good video in the future. So that's all for today, guys, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.